Claffey Pools has been doing what we do for 37 years, okay? And it's always been a culture centered around uh, impeccable customer service. And I'd say the change that's happened in our company over the last really since COVID, and maybe a little before then, is um, we have become a very uh, team member based culture, even more so than we were before. And that change in our culture uh, has been positive for not just the company, but for our team members to understand that we're a family. Okay, we rely on one another. We help one another, and showing a team member, no matter how long they've been there, that you are willing to do what it takes to invest in that team member to be better at their craft. Has been a huge boost to morale and culture, and you know, and so you know that hasn't always been the case in our company. I mean, it was more individual, more, well, if you want to go get educated, then you have the ability to go get educated, but doing it at a company level, and not just requiring it, but uh, investing in those individuals financially, has I'd say it's raised the bar. I mean, it has allowed or shown all of our team members that we care. I mean, that's it, and we realize we have an obligation as an employer to put you in the best position to win, and so I think um, when you do that as an employer, you naturally create and uplift the team, and you know that's it. I mean, we're a better employer, we're a better team because we're investing in Genesis education for our staff.